Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Please describe your hometown.
I come from Vadodara, a city that beautifully blends history with modern life. Known as the cultural capital of Gujarat, Vadodara boasts grand palaces, bustling markets, and a deep-rooted connection to art and heritage. The iconic Lakshmi Vilas Palace, with its regal architecture, serves as a testament to the city's royal past. The streets are alive with vibrant festivals, delicious street food, and friendly faces who always have time for a chat over a cup of chai. The city's charm lies in its ability to balance tradition with progress, where ancient temples stand alongside tech startups. Whether strolling through Sayaji Garden or admiring the sculptures at Maharaja Fateh Singh Museum, Vadodara never ceases to inspire. It's a place where history whispers through every corner, inviting you to explore its timeless stories.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial Rajen Jani. Text Microsoft Copilot. Images Copilot Image Creator. Audio Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech Google Cloud Natural Language API Python Code Google Gemini AI Video Editor Kdenlive.